guys, so now I'm right here at my home, and this is basically just my house, and I'm on my food stack, which is to me a ladder, but who cares, right? Yeah. Okay, and of course my house is quite squishy, so I'm probably thinking of when I have enough money, I'm probably gonna buy a new house that's bigger, you know, and that's probably when I have like $3,000 or something like that, right? So saving money is always the hardest. And I'm going to need to go to my friends, and I'm going to tell them. So Annabelle, Maxine seems like to be. So this Caroline, which is supposed to be my mom, but I'm not really so happy about that, but it's just what it's about. And by the way, where is she? Friends, teleport. Okay, which one is her? Oh, which one is her? I have no clue. Where is she? Oops. Nope. Okay, I need to now go to my friends and talk. Seems like. Hi. Come on. Or does she even know I'm here? I don't think. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go invite create family. Invite to family. No, I'm gonna invite him. Oh yeah, she declined my trade request, but she can't. Why? WHY. Invite to it. Invite a bit more. Why? Why should they claim me? I mean, it wasn't really that fun, but I liked her chasing me around. She has to go. Okay. Any of my other friends is? Everybody's offline. Yeah. Okay. Seems like it's just quite lonely for me. I mean, usually my friend Annabelle will come and support me, but she's not here, so I guess it's just lonely. Okay. My mice is now very white, so I can't see anything. I'm going to dress up, and of course I'm going to switch to parrot. It's very obvious. And I'm going to dress up again. I don't like my tail, so I'm going to need my tail into some sort of thing, right? This tail is a bit too pink. What do you guys think? Yeah, much better. Okay, and of course, I would also want. Isn't exactly the same, so I would want. A little necklace, and I think this up. Nah, it's too old. No. Fine, but I don't know how to take it. Okay. Now the new one is too off. It's too off. I'm gonna choose this little polar bear one, which doesn't get that on. Yeah, that one was the one that I was thinking about. Okay. Back. Say outfit. What was my name? Kitty. Oopsie. Wrong language. Okay. Kitty. Corn. Oh. Kitty. Yeah. That's much better. So this is my kitty fan outfit. And I'm gonna bring Snowball out. Which Snowball is probably pretty happy. So Snowball is now my favorite pet. And so now Snowball's now officially my favorite pet, which I know that most of you guys all know that. And if you are new to my kitty channel, then make sure to click the subscribe button and also give this video a little like button. Okay? Okay. Now let's get back. Oh no, I'm stuck. So, okay. Ooh. What's so good about this? I don't even have that much money. And by the way, what's so good about this? I wouldn't really be so convinced by this, but yeah. Would you guys really want to buy that whatever sun tone thing is? I don't actually really know about it, so comment below if you know what that is for. Oops, not that. I'm gonna go to oh, everybody's up. Now we're going to go to my backpack. We're going to go to toys, gifts. Yeah. I'm not there to buy gifts, but I'm just here to get some. Who is this guy? Wow, what? That guy just, okay. That guy is crazy. What if people scam his pet? I mean, this is very possible. And then he will never see his pet again. He will never see his pet again. Okay, so now we're just gonna focus on going where it's the camping place. Because I am really bad at knowing where to go. Even though I'm here, I've been playing Adopt Me since last month. So I should be knowing where I was going, but I don't. I have no clue. I need to fly up. I need to fly somewhere. Oh. Okay. Do you guys, kitty fans, do you guys have any strategies of knowing where to go? I don't. I don't even have one single strategy. So comment below what is your strategy. Maybe it'll help me find my way back to where I was supposed to go. I couldn't sometimes even find my house because it's all baby pink. What? This is called the best shop ever. Hey! You're running over my cat, babe. Don't you even know how to drive? Even though I don't even know how to ride a bike, but still. What to remember? Okay. Now my little pet needs to go to sleep. Snowcat. And while that, we're just gonna take some marshmallows. There's some marshmallows over here. Take marshmallow. And of course, you guys know all about me. I like taking all of those marshmallows until they say you can't take any more. See, you can't get any more out of these. And then I'm like, okay. I'm gonna put my marshmallow on fire. Eating a marshmallow that is on fire, which is crazy, but who cares, right? Wait, no. Here, marshmallows on fire. Okay, I'm gonna eat my marshmallow that's on fire. And I think it tastes really good. I'm gonna burn my tongue. Ouch. Okay, let's go. Now we're going to go vehicle and get a multi-bike. Oh, help. I feel like I'm gonna crash the second time. Okay. Oh god, help, 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 help. I'm so bad at riding this bike. so bad. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, help, help, help. Oh god, help. Okay, there's nobody here. Ah, no. Oh, come on. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm just stuck in this place. You know what? Out we go. And Snowball is definitely going to kind of go to the playground and just wish me good luck. Not going to crash into anything again. Oh, 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 man. Okay, you guys, you know what? Help. Now, who's this little girl? Oh, wait, is that my friend? Nope. Okay, never mind. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, la 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 la. La la la. Do 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 do. I can't see anything. Okay, now it's time to pick you up. Okay, now this concludes me just wandering around. Don't have any points of what I'm doing, and in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys going into this house that is locked. So in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys doing something else very cute and amazing. So stay tuned. Bye. Bye.